Okay! Friday night Cooke Road may now give you a,
It might be a heritage unit.
maybe, but please blow the horn!
Everybody here?
No! Free Norfolk Southern! What? Yeah! Yeah! Thanks for giving Cooke Road that! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
Let's go, crowd! I think that's for you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Guys, you gotta be quiet. I'm recording. No more fighting like we did in Marion. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 28, 29, buddy! 41! Yeah! 21, 22! $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Oh yeah, we may get a beer train down there. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 70, 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. What? Yeah, we may get a beer train down there. 41, 42. Oh, great, I cannot. We'll get my county. Why are we giving my favorite NFL team, the Cleveland Browns?
Union Pacific team?
Oh, yeah, I see Union Pacific.
Yes, sir. These are last trips.
And here comes the last car. I repeat, last car. Yeah! Thanks for giving Cooke Road the horn. Come back again with that horn. Wally, don't you ever say, let's go Bengals.
Yeah, I better.
Don't you ever say that. Guess what they did? Wally, my neighbor, just said, let's go Bengals. I'm not a Bengals fan because I'm a Browns fan, okay? And goodbye, and that's all for now.